Hi guys! If you're looking for a private farm resort, this video is for you. Did you know na may private farm resort dito located at Balubat First Silang, Cavite? Madaling puntahan from Tagaytay na perfect for family outing, barkada, team buildings at events. We can accommodate up to 50 packs for big events and has 25 packs sleeping capacity. Private siya so kayo lang ang gagamit ng place and masasolo nyo talaga si Donwo. Yes, we are here at Donwo Private Farm Resort and Events Place. So ano nga bang meron kay Donwo? First, of course, we have here our parking area up to 7 to 8 cars capacity. Pagpasok pa lang sa gate, mararamdaman nyo na agad yung peaceful na hinahanap-hanap nating lahat sa isang lugar. Sobrang relaxing, kalmado at payapa. And we can say that every area is photo-worthy and ideal for capturing memories. We also have mini garden spots here, open for everyone. Just be mindful of your limits. Punta naman tayo dito sa events hall. So here we have standee, kung saan pwede kayong magdikit ng occasion backdrop ninyo. May 42-inch TV, 2 powered speaker. Yung YouTube natin dito is premium na din. We have Netflix and 3 wireless microphone. May ilang card games and wine games kaya may enjoy talaga ang stay with family and friends. We also have strong Wi-Fi connection. And by the way, sa spot na to, pwedeng maglagay ng tables and chairs for inuman or boodle fights. Okay, next, punta naman tayo dito sa kitchen. Complete appliances na dito. May small and big rice cooker, microwave, heater, glass and mugs, complete utensils, may refrigerator, and may free 1 gallon pa kayo dito ng mineral water. And guess what? Naka-dispenser pa. We also have bar station here, malaking kitchen table, and meron pa silang extra tall table dito. With ceiling fan and stand fan, kaya san ka pa? Nandito na lahat, sarili mo na lang yung dadalhin mo. Meron na rin ditong ihawan and sampayan for your wet clothes. Additionally, wag niyong kalimutang mag-take ng picture sa spot na to. Next, punta naman tayo dito sa swimming pool. So, ganito nga yung aura niya every night. Sobrang ganda and nakaka-excite talaga siyang languyan. May division na para sa 4 years old pababa, jacuzzi and adults pool with fountain, falls and lights na ang pool. Yung isa pang sulit dito, kasama na sa rates nila yung kanilang heated jacuzzi na magagamit nyo ng free for 1 hour. Kaya kahit malamig, ma-enjoy nyo ang pag-swimming. Sa tapat naman ng pool, may 2 CR na. With heater and organizers na rin ito, patungan ng towel, soaps, ganyan. Next, punta naman tayo dito sa aesthetic house ng Donwo. But before that, meron tayong organizer for your footwears. For our rules and regulations, please follow these guys. No foods and drinks allowed inside. And of course, no smoking inside the house. Okay, dito sa first floor may 2 bedrooms. Dito muna tayo sa master's bedrooms. Dito may 2 lighting modes para sa eksena na iba dyan, charot. O diba, sobrang syala ng bedroom. Provided na rin ng blanket, may aircon, and dito sa loob meron na rin comfort room. Complete na rin with heater na rin siya. Next, dito naman tayo sa barkada room na merong 3 double decks. Of course, with individual blankets na yan. May aircon and may sarili na ring CR. Sa second floor naman guys, up to 14 beds ang pwedeng ilatag. May 2 aircon and sobrang lawak talaga ng space dito. Abot po ba ang Wi-Fi kahit nasa second floor na kami? Yes, we have here Wi-Fi extender kaya naman super strong pa rin ng Wi-Fi connection. By the way, pagkagising sa umaga, eto yung view na bubungad sa inyo. O diba, sobrang nice and sure ako na marerelax kayo dito sa Donwo. By the way, this is our social media accounts. Please direct message us dito sa page para masagot ang inyong mga inquiries and questions. So ano pang hinihintay mo? Mag-book ka na and experience this hidden gem. Tara na, relax and enjoy your stay with us. Give yourself and your family time to chill, reset, and relax dito sa Donwo. Thank you so much for watching guys. Pa-comment naman dyan sa baba ng #aratnasadonwo. See you soon!